Good morning, what's going on, guys? I just dropped off my son at school. I gotta tell you, my whole body is freaking aching, especially the back of my arms right here from all the underhand grip pull-ups that I had to do. That was 3 sets of 15 yesterday, which was back day. The rack pulls really took a toll on my back, on my lower back. In fact, I gotta think about whether or not I can keep doing those or just get even more creative. Anyway, I'm alive, going into third day. It's gonna be interesting. Let's get it. Just dropped off my daughter at daycare. You know, it's always rough in the mornings dropping her off. She's out of the routine because she's been home for the last couple of days, but it'll be okay. On to the day, let's go. Got goals to meet. When you're serious about goals, you gotta eat that in the car. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's go. My son has an early release day from school, so I have to pick him up a little early. It just so happened to fall in between the time frame on what I'm eating. I had to take the food with me. That's what happens when you have serious goals. You gotta chow it down while I'm waiting on him. Let's go and pick him up. That's what goals look like. I'm sitting here waiting on my son to get out of school, eating my meal prep, and of course, kicking off the day with 16.9 ounces of water. So I got a shit ton to go for the rest of the day. Cruft that baby down, completely empty. Check it out, ooh, so good. Ground turkey and jasmine rice, put some Frank's hot sauce on top of it, and some real good shit. What'd you do today?
We made a big fort.
That's right, you made a fort and you had a flashlight? Yeah, that was cool, wasn't it? Was it fun?
Yeah.
All right. Package from Amazon. This is my pills, so let's open it up. Got some vitamin C. I need to take that. I've got some vitamin D. I'm missing actually a couple. I'll start taking these as part of my daily workout. Okay, so vitamin C, 1 packet, 1,000 milligrams, calls for once per day. Packet, 4 to 6 ounces of water. Enjoy. Got the vitamin D3 or vitamin D. This is the Amazon Elements bottle, 5,000 IU per serving. I'm taking 2 of these per day. So this is an Amazon Elements brand. This is where it's at, 24-ounce bottle. I think this is the same bottle that I've had since Monday, and it's 1.2 gallons of water per day that I'm supposed to be drinking. Now, what a lot of people don't know is that water filters your system. As a result, you feel better, you feel lighter, you don't feel as bloated. So it filters out all the crap out of your system. Besides the fact that you're pissing like a Russian racehorse, this is really, really good. So 1.2 gallons per day, make sure you get in your H2O. Meal number 3, tilapia and some greens and some Frank's hot sauce. Back at it again. Today is leg day. Feeling sore as shit. Let's see how it goes. Let's go.
I need you like I need air to breathe. I need you to save me from me. I'm caught in your wave, I'm drifting away. I need you to save me. Please don't let me drown. Please don't let me drown.
Managed to get all the exercises in tonight. Leg day. Feel like jello. I'm starving. Something that I learned that was really interesting tonight. It's not about how much weight you add on. It's about the repetition and consistency. You can build up the weight eventually, but the biggest thing that most people do wrong is that they go with too much weight. So I really just focused on enough weight that I could handle, consistent with my reps, make sure that I've got the right posture. Also, I was able to get also some shots of some of the workouts in the gym. I was looking forward to doing that. Actually, had to watch a YouTube video on how to familiarize myself more with, you know, getting the right angles and such at the gym. Still playing with that and trying to get more creative. With that being said, let's go eat.
You need me like you need air to breathe.